Yo, what's up guys, this is Monster Cody Racing here, and this is the video for the field trucks for Time Series number 239, so without further ado, let's get to it. So we have Mushroom Top Dog and Bad News Clear Crushers, good at Xbox and Wheel Boy and Man of Steel, Curry Gaming in Batman Ninja Glow, Chase the Star and Podium Crasher, Nathan Williams in Sasquatch, Charlie Cooper and the Green Ghost Gravedigger, Tyson Firth, making his Time Series debut, could be wrong. He's inside a Big Kahuna, Macblood Mac in the Red Prior Gravedigger, Mushroom Dallas in the Nitro Neon's Northern Nightmare. Green Team has returned, making a Time Series return, so welcome back. He's inside of the Spur of the Moment, Chase Selling Cobble Trucks and Bone Shaker, Mushroom Fans of 301 and Demo Derby, Adam the Ultra Savage and Hulk, Black Screen Machine and Tiger Shark, Mini Malloy T and Darth Vader, Cascade and Son of a Digger, Mark Fisher and Hound Holler, Ryan the Southeast CSX fan, who was formerly known as Ryan the Local Punk fan, but his name changed. So, he is inside of Avenger, Red Crush Speedway and Horsepower, Gravedigger and Stone Crusher, Rolando Armendariz and Baja Buster, Dolores Simons and Stinger and Leash, Hubby Buddy 99 and Blue NEA, Pinch Joey and the Gravedigger, Addison Taylor and Gold Max D, Demo Derby 68 and Torque Terror Demo Derby, Joanna Cox and Roger Dodger, and Holly Triplet and John Cena. So that's the field of trucks. The event should be out soon, and I'll see you guys then.